Hi vintage bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making easy chocolate truffles. This extremely rich and decadent chocolate treat are extremely easy to make and customize. The perfect recipe to bring to any holiday function or pop inside of Christmas cookie tins for the ultimate holiday treat that will have everyone licking their fingers clean. And this is a fun recipe to get the kids involved in too. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make chocolate truffles. To start this recipe, we are of course going to need some chocolate. For these truffles, I'm going to be using 3 packages or 900 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can of course use a different type of chocolate if that's what you prefer. I'm going to melt my chocolate along with 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Once the mixture is melted, remove it from the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The mixture will already start to thicken, but I'm going to set this aside to cool and firm up for about 2 hours at room temperature. At this point, the chocolate mixture should be solid but still able to be molded. Using about 1 tablespoon of chocolate, squeeze it together and shape into little bite-sized spheres by rolling the chocolate between your hands. Continue on shaping until all of the chocolate is used up. Now we can move on to the fun part, the truffle coatings. There are so many great coating options, so feel free to use something other than what I'm using here today. Some classic choices for coating truffles are finely chopped nuts, sprinkles, icing sugar, toasted shredded coconut, and cocoa powder. For some fun and festive options, you might want to try hot chocolate powder, crushed candy canes, cinnamon sugar, freeze-dried fruit powder, cookie crumbs like Oreo or graham crackers, or crushed hard caramel or toffee. Basically, the sky's the limit when it comes to the perfect chocolate accompaniment. For my chocolate truffles today, I'm going with the classic cocoa powder, toasted shredded coconut, sprinkles, and icing sugar. I found the best way to coat them is just roll them around on all sides, or take 2 containers and shake the truffles inside until evenly coated. Once your truffles are coated, they are ready to enjoy right away. But they can also be stored in an airtight container so they don't dry out and stored in the fridge or freezer. Just make sure to pull them out to warm to room temperature so they're soft and melt in your mouth when you're ready to serve them. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.